Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. So I want to carry you guys along while I unbox my little um YouTube stuff. Not really for YouTube alone, because this will be helping me a lot in my business, since my business is online stuff. So it's going to be helping me a lot, and I'm so happy to have them. It's just little, but it's a very big win for me. So guys, I want to carry you guys along because I am so happy. Like, I am excited seeing them, receiving them, you understand. And I have not used them before, so I want to try it out. I am just happy to receive them because I know that I'm going to be trying new things. So that kind of excitement when you were a child and they buy a new clothes for you, so you just be eager to use it. So that's how I'm feeling right now. So let me just let me just unbox them and see what's inside. I was so eager to see what's inside, so I opened it. I wanted to open it before I set up my camera, so I am sorry for that. I've already taken a peep. So guys, this is microphone. I just tried to get something to improve my audio. I don't know if it's going to work, but hopefully it will work. I'll be trying it out in one of my all of my videos, of course. So I'll be using them while I film, especially my sit down videos. So it's going to be helping me a lot. This is 2-in-1. This is a K35 and it's 2-in-1. It's 2-in-1 wireless microphone. This is it. So this is it. This is how it looks like. This is it. So there are two microphones, and that's the receiver. What did they call it? That's the receiver, and this is the what's this? So it happens that I'm going to be inserting this in my phone and switch it on while I use any of this to film. So that's that for microphone, guys. I'll be putting it back. Honestly, I'm so happy to have this. Okay, this is the charger. It's chargeable. This is the charger. Is the cable for charging the microphone. I just hope this brand helps me. I mean, it lasts. I just hope it lasts, because I don't really know the best for now. As a starter, I am just a beginner, and I am new to all these things. So this is my ring light. This actually looks small, but when I was ordering it, I thought it was big. I don't know if I was seeing another size and mistaking it to be this size. This is actually 10 inches, right? So I don't know. This RGB LED soft ring light, and I don't know if I didn't know that you see, I've already opened it. I was so eager to see what's inside. So guys, this is it. This actually looks small, like the shape. The ring light is actually small to me, because I was thinking that it's something that is very wide. I don't know, maybe that's another size, right? But you know how pictures works. You will see something, it will look wide, then maybe when you receive that stuff, it will look smaller than how it looks in the picture. So that's actually how it is, but I really love it. Like, I love it as I am touching it now. Let's see how it works, then I will know if the love will still be there. But for now, I just love it. When you get something that you want, when you buy a new thing, you got to love it. So I love it. This is the tripod stand. Oh wow. Okay, okay, okay. Wow, guys, I'll be trying this out here so that you will also see how it works. In case if it's not working well, you let me know, because okay, this is actually really long. Wow, this is really long, and you can still adjust it from here. This is really long. Wow. But for now, I want it to be where you can see it. Okay. Oh, 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 oh. So, okay. Hey. Okay. This is it, guys. And this is the remote control. It's with the wire. I already have my power bank here, so I just put it, and it's wow. My baby is so happy to see it. Wow. So guys, let me know how, but I don't know these colors. Let me see. Okay, okay. This is actually um a stable one, because I was actually looking for a stable one. I don't like all those ones doing like this. So I think this is okay. You can okay change the okay. This is white, cool, warm, and what do they call this? I don't even know. Okay, this is the reduction, like if to reduce the light. So guys, let me know what you think in my comment section. If this ring light is okay, what do you think about this thing, this ring light? Because I have not used ring light before, yeah, but this is going to be helping me a lot in my business and this YouTube stuff, and I just hope it will serve me very well. Like, it won't go bad easily, you understand? It won't get spoiled easily, because yeah, definitely things will get spoiled, even human being dies, you understand? So I don't expect it to last for eternity to eternity, but at least let me enjoy it. So let me know what you think about this my little investment. Yes. Let me know what you think about it. I am so happy to have it personally. I am so happy. I am so happy to have them, and my microphone that I'll be using. I am so happy to have them. So guys, that's it for now. That's it. My ring light is set, and this is it. Yeah, if you have watched till this extent, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and do well to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Ejo Johnny, please beacon subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification so that you get notified each time I drop a new video. I drop really interesting topics on my sit down videos, and you are going to be enjoying them with me. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Stay safe out there. Bye bye.